Excel has a great feature that's useful for troubleshooting our formulas. We can select a particular cell and it will show us cells that are dependent upon that data. So I've selected H10, and what I want to do is see what in this list on the left is dependent upon this cell H10. So in order to do this, I go to the Formulas tab. From here I go to Formula Auditing and I choose Trace Dependence. Excel automatically switches on these arrows that indicate that H10 impacts on the formulas in these particular cells. This is useful for troubleshooting formulas and working out where things aren't quite working right in your spreadsheets in Excel. If I want to remove the arrows and switch that off, I simply go to the Formula Auditing and click on Remove Arrows.